Hello everyone, today we'll be introducing this gun right here you see in front of me, and before we do that, let me just put down my stuff. Okay, so this gun is okay, you can go now, thank you. This gun is the G&G GTP9. G&G is a Taiwanese airsoft brand, so Taiwan #1, let's go, yeah. So after you open this box, as you can see, the outside is very sleek, very movie looking like, and very professional. And after you open it up, the first thing you probably notice is this patch, which is pretty creative, but I don't think it serves any use. But you can, put it on your clothing for extra customization. And then there's a metal plate that says GTP9, which is very, very looking very sleek. And then after you take the gun out, the shape of it looks kind of like a Glock, but at the same time, it has other features, such as the USP magazine release on the trigger guard, and also the Glock finger, the trigger safety. And then this safety I have never seen on any other gun. It's at the magazine release on most other guns. And then the way you take this gun apart is similar to other Glocks. And for the disassembly, we'll do that in another video. So if you want to know how to disassemble it, look for the next video. But for today, we're going to talk about how the gun feels and how it works, and if it's accurate or not, or if it's worth the good bargain. So the original price for this gun is 3,300 NT dollars, which is around 110 USD. So it's okay compared to other guns, but we will see if the function is actually a good bargain for this gun. Now the magazine looks like a Glock magazine, however, because its magazine lock is here, so this magazine is only suited for the US GTP9, and also the muzzle, the screw is 12 millimeters compared to the usual 14 millimeters, so it is not compatible with most muzzle devices unless you have an adapter or something else to compensate that. So that is one of the flaws of this gun. And what the specialty is that on the grip there is a tool, and this is the hop adjuster. So the hop it decides whether or not your BBs go up or down. Now with this hop adjuster, you can just slide it in, turn it, and adjust the hop. So compared to other guns, you need to take it apart and adjust it. For this gun, you don't need to. Just take the hop adjuster, turn, and you're ready. And also, G&G had this very, very nice design where if your hand is bigger, you can take the small grip down like that, put it back, and they have a bigger grip for you if you have a bigger hand out there like this. So this gun, the slide is pretty smooth. However, something I have noticed is, if you can come closer and see, the slide isn't very sturdy. It comes up and down very freely, so that concerns me when it comes to accuracy. So now we're going to take it to the range and test if it's actually accurate and how it feels in the hand. Alright guys, so we have our fully loaded magazine and gas inside. And looking at the sights, you can notice that it has a very, very sci-fi and cool looking design, which is the bottom of the rear sights are hollowed out. Now it's kind of, it's going to be hard to get used to if you have the habit of looking at the bottom of the rear sights to find your front sights. But it's pretty sci-fi looking, and for me, I think it gives you more space to see what's in front of you. So let's take this gun and test it out in the range. Alright guys, we're here at the range. We have our GTP9, and now we're going to see how it actually works on the range. Alright, we're out of bullets. So the feel of it, the gas blowback isn't really hard, so the blowback isn't too heavy on you, so it's easier to aim with this with this gun. However, the accuracy is all over the place, and as I said, it might be because of the slide, which is so freely moving. And actually, the design is that the safety design is kind of weird, so when you don't have a slide pullback, you cannot put safety on, which is kind of concerning. You have to first rack the slide, and then you can put safety on, which I think is kind of weird, but I know they're designed because, you know, if you don't rack the slide, there's no chance of shooting someone. But however, it's still an incentive to directly put safety on a real gun, even if the slide isn't racked. So that's it for the review of its workings. I think it's a reliable gun and it's okay for a first gun, but if you want to use it for competitions, it's going to definitely need a lot of modding and upgrading. So that's it for this video. In the next one, we'll take it apart and look at its inners and more of detailed accessories. So I'll see you guys next time.